the rough. Bad stumble at the break for Stop Shopping Maria. Left her in last place. There goes Delightful Magic up and after the lead. My Miss Aurelia right up there, though. Second on the outside. Bargain Blitz third. Stop Shopping Maria, after that stumbling beginning, is now fourth. Refining is fifth. Party of Interest sixth and moving now on the outside. Bourbonesque trails the field as they race for the far turn. Chasing Delightful Magic. Delightful Magic, the leader, through a quarter in 22 seconds flat. My Miss Aurelia, though, right there with her on the outside, right up there, just a half length behind. Stop Shopping Maria third toward the rail. Bargain Blitz is now dropping back in fourth, followed by Party of Interest, now fifth at the rail. Top of the stretch now. It is still Delightful Magic holding on grimly to the lead. My Miss Aurelia right alongside. Those two nip and tuck. My Miss Aurelia fights her way to a narrow lead. Delightful Magic battling every step of the way down to the line. And Stop Shopping Maria third. My Miss Aurelia prevails by a length over Delightful Magic. Tough Luck Stop Shopping Maria was third, and Refining was fourth.